over there.
Where my bird go?
Where my bird go?
She not a bird. Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go right there, Tam.
Mario. That was the one for you right there.
Yeah, bro. Right there. You talking about? Yeah. You gonna try to get a pigeon and let an eagle go by?
Like, where you acting up?
You gonna fuck the pigeon? Let a pigeon go by? You gonna let an eagle go by for a pigeon?
So what's up? What you do? What's up with the mom, babe? Alright, what you mean? See, look, the bird came over here.
No, I'm not. I just came from the picture,
meat,
but I'm not a bird.
Free meat. You gotta say free meat. Free meat meals, man. Give me a free meat. You gotta give me a free meat meal.
Free meat.
Well, I can't. I don't have a decent channel.
Free meat, man. He fucking talking about. I know what you tell him.
Free meat.
Free meat.
My man. All right. Now what? We good. That's all I needed.